Have you ever noticed holes in your leaves, sticky residue, or wilting flowers? You're not alone. Pests can be a gardener's nightmare, but there's good news. Today, we're going to explore some natural, effective ways to keep pests at bay without resorting to any harsh chemicals. Let's protect your garden and keep it thriving. Now, before we can combat pests, we need to identify them. Let's see what to look for. Chewed leaves or holes, likely caterpillars or beetles. Sticky leaves or black mold, possibly aphids or whiteflies. Wilted plants despite watering, could be root-eating grubs. Yellowing leaves with tiny dots, now that might be spider mites. Observing these signs will help you determine the best course of action. Now, you don't need harsh chemicals to protect your garden. Nature has everything you need. From fragrant herbs to helpful insects, there are plenty of ways to naturally keep pests away without harming your plants, the environment, or the beneficial bugs you actually want around. Now, let's look at some easy, eco-friendly solutions for some of the most common garden pests. These tiny insects suck sap from plants, weakening them. To deter them, spray a mixture of water and a few drops of biodegradable soap. Plant companion herbs like basil or mint to repel them. Their strong scents confuse and deter insects, helping protect your flowers and veggies without the need for chemicals. Caterpillars can quickly defoliate plants. To prevent this, use floating row covers to prevent egg laying. Encourage birds by planting bird-friendly flora. Apply a garlic and chili pepper spray as a natural deterrent. These pests love moisture and tender leaves. To keep them away, surround plants with crushed eggshells or coarse sand. Plant foxgloves or daffodils, which are natural deterrents. Straw can also help by creating a dry, rough surface they don't like to cross. And always water in the morning. Dry soil by evening means less slug activity overnight. You can also sprinkle a layer of diatomaceous earth around your plants. It's a natural powder made from fossilized algae that dehydrates and repels crawling pests. Copper tape around raised beds acts like an electric fence for slugs and snails. It gives them a tiny shock and keeps them from climbing up. These thrive in moist soil. To prevent them, allow soil to dry between waterings. Add a layer of gravel or perlite on top of the soil. Insert a cinnamon stick into the soil to deter them. These mites prefer hot, dry conditions. To discourage them, increase humidity by misting plants. Spray with a diluted rosemary essential oil solution. Keep leaves clean and dust-free to make the environment less welcoming. Now, sometimes prevention is even better than treatment. Here's how to build a garden that naturally keeps those pests in check. Plant strong scented herbs and flowers like lavender, sage, and thyme around your beds. Use trap plants like nasturtiums or calendula to lure pests away from your main crops. Attract beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps with wildflowers, dill, or yarrow. Encourage birds and frogs by providing fresh water, shelter, and avoiding chemicals. Now, companion planting is a gardener's secret weapon. Sage repels cabbage loopers and flea beetles. Onions and garlic drive away aphids and carrot flies. Marigolds keep whiteflies and nematodes at bay. Also, coffee grounds are great for the soil. They enrich it with nitrogen, they discourage slugs, and they suppress weeds. But planting isn't everything. Healthy plants are naturally much more resistant to pests. Give your plants the right amount of water. Too little or too much can stress them and attract pests. Use the right fertilizers to keep them well nourished. A plant with better nutrition grows stronger and is better equipped to fight off infestations. If you prefer ready-to-use solutions, we have a great selection of products both in-store and online. Defender Garden Fungicide. This gentle, natural spray uses potassium salts of fatty acids and sulfur to fight off common fungal diseases like powdery mildew and rust. It's a great eco-friendly option to protect your plants without synthetic chemicals. 3-in-1 Garden Spray. A versatile option that acts as a fungicide, insecticide, and miticide made with natural ingredients. Ideal for tackling aphids, spider mites, and mildew in one go. Go Green Botanics Plant Spray. Made with plant-based oils, this spray is safe to use on flowers, herbs, and vegetables. It repels insects like whiteflies and thrips without harming your garden's ecosystem. Now, all of these are natural, eco-conscious, and safe for home gardens when used as directed. You can find them at Wildwood Outdoor Living. Come join us, or check out the link in the description. Maintaining a healthy garden is about more than just fighting pests. It's about maintaining balance. With the right plants, good habits, and a little observation, your garden can flourish naturally and healthily. If you need plants, herbs, seeds, or even eco-friendly pest solutions, come visit us at Wildwood Outdoor Living. Prefer shopping from home? That's okay. Just check out our online store following the link down in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gardening tips and inspiration.